Welcome to the very first full day shoot with the brand new Canon EOS R3. Here's what we have going on today. That's beautiful right there. I'm primarily a wedding photographer, so I wanted to have this in a typical, or not so typical, wedding scenario.
That's it, that's the shot.
We have 6 beautiful ballet dancers gracefully dancing with skirts and fabrics, all with lots of pops of red. That's why. Love the movement, it's perfect. Some of the things I am looking forward to testing out this R3. Number 1, the eye control autofocus. 1, 2, 3. That is going to help me maintain focus and find it quickly when I have these dancers swirling around my couple. I also am looking forward to the 30 frames per second. I'm also going to appreciate the image stabilization because I want to do some slow exposures, some slow shutter speeds so I can get the movement of all of the fabrics around the dancers while keeping my couple tack sharp. Let's go, let's test this baby, let's really use it and come up with something great.
Just keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna be doing several takes. So yeah, the action starts as soon as you turn, you're in motion. That was it.
Where do you want me?
Getting literally, babe, you're crushing it.
Oh, so amazing.
Or start walking.
Oh, amazing. We are ahead of schedule. That's what I like. 2, 3. Good, you can put your hand up by your face. That's one of my favorites. Woo! Take your hand, tilt it back this way. Nighttime, I don't know if this is gonna work. I brought my V2s. If I've got 2 of them coming out of here with like a color, the most dramatic pose with the 2 in the middle, like, yes.
Oh my God.
Just a ton of fabric. There it is. That's a wrap. We had a huge day and an early day. We got done early, which I love that. Here are some of the things that I counted on from this R3. Number 1, the 30 frames per second. I can't tell you how much I use that. I use that constantly to photograph the dancers, even when I was just focusing on the bride and groom, to get those moments of all of that movement. And while this was a scene that I set up, I can see myself using this multiple times on a regular wedding day, having them walk down the aisle back at me when it's really quick and the expressions are changing very fast. Definitely key. Another thing that I found really useful, especially when I have everything swirling around me, really much like a reception dance floor, is using the eye control autofocus. That's just key, you can't beat that. There was a threat of rain, and to be honest, I kind of wanted it to rain because I would have been set with this. This R3, while it's a mirrorless camera, has the rugged durability and weather resistance of a 1DX Mark III. And that used to be my camera of choice, and then I moved to the R5 because I love the mirrorless and the different tech and the autofocus, and now we've got this, which is kind of like a hybrid. Having the durability of a 1DX III plus the speed and then the tech, especially the autofocus tech of a mirrorless camera, and of course being able to use these RF lenses, which are gorgeous. This camera is wild. I had so much fun using this camera today, pushing it to its limits, using it at high ISOs, using it at really fast frame rates, and of course, testing out the 120 video. So I got a little slow-mo in there for you too. I had a lot of fun. If you haven't had a chance to get this R3 in your hands, it's released, so now you can. I'm Vanessa Joy. Bye.